My name is Steve Biebel, and I am a neon bender in Atlantic City. I'm also a brewer, and hopefully one day I'm going to be a flame worker at Plasmagraphics Neon, which is where we are right now. I'm still an apprentice. I'm still an apprentice to my father. He's a master bender, and I'm hoping to make a business one day and be able to make neon, make art, make signs, do repairs, all kinds of stuff. I just want to keep exploring this great art. What got me into neon was my dad. He's the one that got me in, and really once I started working with him, I started finding out how awesome the whole science and art is. My dad has a neon shop. That's basically what it is. He was really a prominent neon bender in Atlantic City. He was the only one, really. There's other guys that tried to do it, and I think this is the only one that's left from that time. It was kind of tough because you need to spend a lot of time. You need to practice as much as possible. And for me, I finally said to myself, I gotta be, proximity-wise, I need to be close to where the neon is happening at, where I can bend. Occasionally we have people come by and they ask for repairs. I got family, friends that have hit me up and said, like, hey, I got this neon sign, can you fix it? And I say, yeah, sure, come on by, come on by, have a beer, and we'll figure something out. I keep a list. I talk to people and I tell them I do neon, and they say, oh, I would love to have a neon sign. And I say, okay, well, what would you like? Whatever it is. It could be script, it could be an object, abstract, could just be a straight tube. You're trying to illuminate a bar counter, for example. Neon is a dying art. It's kind of like a lost art at this point. And a good pumped neon sign will last longer than your business. That's what my father used to always say. First, you have to design the project. My pops, he could whip up a pattern, no problem. And in the beginning, I was just doing hand drawn, which I still actually kind of like. So once you build a pattern for the neon, you then can take it to the table, the bending table, and you bend it in these torches. We use natural gas and air combination torches. They're about 2400 degrees Fahrenheit. You put on some electrodes, which allows a conductive current to cross through the tube. We have a pump system. We have two pumps, mechanical and molecular. And first we pump out all the air, and then we bombard it with 15,000 volts. And from there, once you fill it, you have to tip it off properly, meaning you need to use a torch and seal it properly and pull it off the pump, and voila, you have a neon tube. So my dad and I also work conventions here and there, and at one of these conventions we saw an Olympian, and she talked about the 4 important keys to being a proper Olympian, as track star. And she said it was push, position, pace, and poise. And I think we've taken that to our neon table and our work and working in the workshop. You got to have all 4 of those things if you're going to do anything and be successful. And I try to keep that in my mind when I'm bending and when I'm pumping, to just stay cool and it'll work out.